VRIO Framework, Resource-Based Competitive Advantage. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about VRIO Framework, Resource-Based Competitive Advantage. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. The VRIO Framework is a strategic analysis tool that helps organizations identify and evaluate their internal resources and capabilities to determine if they can provide a sustainable competitive advantage. It's a key component of the resource-based view, RBV, of strategy. Here is a breakdown. VRIO stands for Value. Does the resource or capability allow the firm to exploit an opportunity or neutralize a threat? If the answer is no, the resource is a competitive disadvantage. Rarity. Is the resource or capability currently controlled by only a small number of competing firms? If the answer is no, the resource leads to competitive parity, average performance. Imitability. Is the resource or capability costly for other firms to imitate? If the answer is no, the resource leads to a temporary competitive advantage. Organization. Is the firm organized to exploit the resource or capability? This includes factors like organizational structure, management systems, and culture. If the answer is no, the firm cannot fully realize the potential of its resources, resulting in a temporary competitive advantage. How the VRIO framework works. Identify resources and capabilities. Start by identifying the organization's key resources and capabilities, e.g., patents, brand reputation, skilled workforce. Evaluate each resource capability. Systematically evaluate each resource or capability using the VRIO questions. Determine competitive implications. Based on the VRIO analysis, determine the competitive implications of each resource or capability. Competitive implications. Competitive disadvantage. If a resource is not valuable, it puts the firm at a disadvantage. Competitive parity. If a resource is valuable but not rare, the firm achieves parity with its competitors. Temporary competitive advantage. If a resource is valuable, rare, but not costly to imitate, the firm gains a temporary advantage. Sustainable competitive advantage. If a resource is valuable, rare, costly to imitate, and the firm is organized to exploit it, the firm achieves a sustainable competitive advantage. Examples. Valuable but not rare. A company with a standard, widely available technology. This provides parity, but not an advantage. Valuable, rare, but not costly to imitate. A popular, trendy app feature that competitors can quickly copy. This is a temporary advantage. Valuable, rare, costly to imitate, and organized. A company with a strong brand reputation built over many years, combined with a unique organizational culture that fosters innovation. This provides a sustainable advantage. Significance. Strategic resource allocation. Helps organizations focus on developing and leveraging resources that can provide a competitive advantage. Competitive analysis. Provides a structured approach to analyzing the competitive landscape. Sustainable advantage. Helps organizations identify and build resources that can lead to long-term success. The VRIO framework is a valuable tool for businesses to understand their internal strengths and weaknesses and to develop strategies that leverage their unique resources and capabilities. That's the end. If you find this video useful, give a like or subscribe.